Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a easy, quick, easy and very healthy under 100 calories dessert. If you love chocolate, you're going to love this. So this is a chocolate brownie made in microwave, and this whole process took about three and a half minutes, not more than that. Video took longer than the actual time. That's the sugar, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon flour. You can use wheat flour also. That's a 1 tablespoon cocoa, sugar, no unsweetened cocoa, and a 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, and a pinch of baking soda and pinch of baking powder, and about a quarter teaspoon of vanilla. Only 7 ingredients. And yogurt, I took the homemade yogurt, but you can take any vanilla yogurt or something, so then you can avoid the extra vanilla. So mix all together very well. I mixed all the dry ingredient first and then added vanilla and then added the yogurt. So yogurt is the tricky part. I took only 1 tablespoon. It was actually, this was told by a friend, she told me to take fat-free yogurt, but I have 2% yogurt I make at home, so this is little harder. It's not very liquidy. So I just took 1 tablespoon, but that was not enough. When I mix everything together, you can see here, it's kind of little hard. So I didn't like my brownie to be really hard. I want it to be little fluffy and all that. So what I did was I added a half a tablespoon more. So it's up to you. You can adjust the yogurt part a little bit so to get the right consistency for your brownie. I'm mixing everything well and adding the yogurt next and mixing it well. It took a little longer for the taking video and all that stuff, but it took only mixing and putting all the ingredients together took about 1 minute or so, and little over 1 minute or so. And then I put it in the microwave for a minute first, and I didn't like the consistency, so I put half a minute more. It's between 1 and 1.5, depending on how. See, this is hard now, so I had to add some more yogurt. So it depends on your how your yogurt is and everything. That basically, I guess depends on the yogurt, how quick it cooks. So I take it out in a bowl. I didn't want to use the same bowl because it's all dirty all around, so it gets dirty anyway. I don't know why I did that, but put it in the microwave for 1 minute first. I did that 1 minute first, and let's see how it goes. So I took it out after a minute. Look at that, it cooked. I stuck to the toothpick, so it came out clean, but I didn't like the consistency. It's not 100% clean, perfect. So I just put it for 30 more seconds, and now I like the consistency. It's not a perfect regular brownie, but it is very tasty. It is good for what we have. It's a 95 calories, she said it is. 95 calories, you can't beat that. And your chocolate craving is also gone with this. So you are using the regular sugar. Don't use any sugar substitute in here. So you still are okay with it. I like the taste. I have my dessert today under 95 calories, in about 100 calories. And try it and see if you like. Give a thumbs up. Give any feedback you have. I would like to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.